how's it going, y'all? Thanks for coming back to another video on the channel. Back playing Honkai Impact 3rd, and I don't even know where we left off at the last time, and I won't pretend, so let's get right into it. Okay, where did we leave off at? I'm pretty sure we were trying to find some clues about somebody she might know or something like that. But I don't know where we're supposed to go. The cursor is pointing to her here. She says, my head hurts. I think I had a weird dream, but I can't remember it too well. Gotcha, Bronya. I was supposed to discharge you from the hospital, but you managed to escape to the library. What a naughty brat. Bronya is not a baby. Bronya performed cell diagnostics using health terminal. Using the health terminal, all systems are back online. Bronya then accessed the system database, updated all the physio readings, and approved of her own discharge. Hey, that sounds like hacking. That's illegal. Subject Kiana is up to something again. Of course she is. Perhaps Subject Kiana is here to beg Bronya for emergency remedies. Hey, I'm really I'm really trying to care, brat. Anyway, I'm worried you might get bored. I'll try some reserve psychology. I'm here to mess up your studies. I brought your homo station. Homo adventure. Well, I got her to light up. Since Bronya only likes studying, I'll just play this on my own. Subject Kiana is leaving as she acknowledges Bronya's supremacy in gaming. I won't let you beat me. Not in gaming, at least. Alloy_Bronya deployed. What the heck? Tap the attack button to jump and evade to dash. Use the ultimate to shoot and automatically gain GP. SP, gain SP. Well, I can't wall bounce. Okay. This is so. Oh no! Did I just kill myself? Woo! Thank goodness. You can come back now, Bridge. Oh, thought I was gonna die for a second. I tried to run away from that. I always kind of find it funny that you play games within a game sometimes. What's happening here? That's not good. I gotta be closer to shoot it. What is this thing supposed to be? That's all it took. That was easy. Or he's not dead yet. Looks like I spoke too soon. Let me shut up next time. Shoot. Hello, shoot. Thank you. Wait, where's my health now that I think about it? It's what I jumped too late. Okay, that was pretty boring. Believe me, guys, nothing at all exciting happened in that. That hurts. May, please stop. Don't pull my ears again. I was making lunch and noticed that you were missing because no one's stealing the tempura. That's how I knew you were here. But Aunt Teresa asked me to visit Bronya and study with her. Study with the Homu Station? Kiana, I hope you didn't forget about your goal of becoming an A-rank Valkyrie. If you fail again, they'll demote you from a B rank to D rank. How do you say that word? Support Valkyries. Only B rank and better Valkyries get to fight in the front lines. If you get demoted to D rank, you'll be given support and logistics duty from the far from the real fighting. Logistics like exchanging a snack bar? No way. Then go to training plaza now. No more lazing about today. Kiana, don't why did I say that? Don't pull my ears again, May. Alright, on to the next. Support, what does this do? Team gains 10% max HP in battle. Spirit of Loyalty, when a combo hit count exceeds 20, team gains 10% physical damage. Okay, like that. Kiana, I didn't expect you to show up in the training plaza. Fuhua, you're here too. Did you camp here? Where's your tent? May, you're so hard. May says you're so hardworking. Are you here to participate? Practice, May. They said you were injured in the Sapphire mission, but it seems those rumors were exaggerated. It's great to see you again. So, is there anything wrong with you? Anything wrong with me? I don't know. Fuhua, stop mishandling my May. My apologies. There is no end to learning. I must continue my training, May. Please work hard as well, Kiana. Wait, what was that? Can I not go through there? Of course not. The little lock symbols there. Why am I not surprised? Kiana is actually training. The world is coming to an end already. Kiana is leaving ghost images in her wake. What are you talking about, Aunt Himiko? You definitely drank too much again. Of course not. How is Fiona doing, by the way? She looks healthy, but she missed a triple jump. She missed a triple jump sledgehammer combo in the game. What did you encounter in that mission? It affected her pretty badly. The report says something about the Honkai energy and the battleship engines, but it doesn't sound right to me. Perhaps Bernie was being controlled by something else, just like Homu's in the game. Forget it. I shouldn't ask an idiot. Oh, jeez. I shouldn't have asked an idiot like you to begin with. Anyway, Himiko, a lazy bag like you often sleeps in real late after Friday night. Why are you here so early? Lazy bag. Aunt Teresa, Valkyries must maintain a healthy training routine. Himiko, you're an instructor of Saint Freya High, and a major leading Valkyrie squad. Poor discipline will set a poor example. Hey, Kiana, you're here. Why she look so surprised? I hear when people think I'm a bad student, I'm leaving. Well, that's why you're a bad student, because you're leaving. Himiko, try to cut down on the Homu beer. It's bad for you. I hate hearing that. Even Kiana's working hard. I'm itching for a workout myself now. Oh, okay. You get to play as you. The sword is almost like Pyro in Smash Brothers. Well, can you go to? I didn't hear what I didn't see what it said. Oh, it'll probably gonna fire regardless of whatever it might be saying. Defeat the hacking Honkai beast and then keep them from entering the circle. I mean the ring. But the sword swing is awfully slow. Alright, that's kind of decent. About to say, how far back are you really gonna travel? Uh-oh, what's this? I mean, if they're all dying in one hit, then like it probably shouldn't be two. See, that's what I'm talking about. I feel much better after the warm-up. Try to prepare. Damn it. What's wrong, May? You look weird. Kiana, I've putting up with your wait. I have put up with you all the time. You're always getting in our way. That's not nice. If it weren't for me, that Honkai beast would have turned you into a rotting corpse. Everyone has to work hard to keep you alive. You're even worse than a kid Briona. Why are you hurting me, May? You're pathetic, Kiana. Pathetic. Ooh, that's harsh. Dang it, you're not made. May is never this mean. The world just turned upside down. It sure did. Himiko, why are you here? Why are you surprised that both of you are under my custody and strict monitoring? What are you talking about? Stupid brat, you just don't get it at all. Ever thought why I enrolled you into the school? Because you're ticking time bombs that must be watched. Your problem kids that third Hersher looking with May is a real threat. You can't talk about May this way. Wait, aren't you the woman who appeared in my dreams last night? It's cool that I get to like, walk on the walls and stuff like that. Now it's Aunt Teresa. I'm sorry, despite our promise, I can't tell you where Siegfried is. Because he doesn't want to see you. You're a harbinger of bad luck. Harbinger, what are you talking about? When the second Hersher appeared in Siberia 14 years ago, your mother Cecilia, I don't know how to say that word. The only aspect Valkyrie of the I don't know how to pronounce that, was deployed, but even then, she could not defeat his opponent despite her prowess. Do you know why? No, please don't tell me. She never fully recovered after giving birth to you. In the end, the leaders of Shiko, they probably killed her. Those cowards feared Cecilia feared Cecilia would be defeated. They launched a tactical nukes at the target to destroy the second Hersher, along with Cecilia. Oh, yikes. Poor Siegfried, he didn't take the loss of his wife too well, and hated his daughter for being the cause of it. You have brought nothing but bad luck to your parents. Shut up, I don't believe you. Now it's time to beat Auntie's ass. I'm trying not to take so much damage like the mission says. I hate how she does so little damage. Let's switch back to the other two. Yeah, I'm ignoring that mission for now, cause taking damage is basically inevitable at this point. God. Stop killing me on Teresa. This is why I hate you. You creep, how dare you pretend to be my loved one who tricked me. My loved one too tricked me. Show me all you got, scum. What a foolhardy girl. You're always swinging at me. I have no choice but to disguise myself to converse with you. But make no mistake, girl, I said nothing but the truth. There's no happy ending with the so-called loved ones. You're not like them, you'll never be like them. But if you join me, you'll have anything you want. People will recognize your powers, and you'll become an S-rank Valkyrie. Actually, you'll be more than that. You will get the powers beyond your imagination. Shut up, you liar. What a shame. Dawn has arrived. No matter, we will meet again. Wonder what this is all about, really. Somebody's trying to tell her something in her dreams. I'm pretty sure of it. But guys, that's going to do for tonight. That's all the time I have to record. And if you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. You guys on the vibes. You be safe out there. And peace out.